This is NorthBamaWX, monitoring weather across North Alabama and southern Tennessee. We're currently monitoring a flood watch across the region. Flood watch in effect for Madison, Morgan, Marshall, Jackson, DeKalb, Coleman in Alabama, and more, Lincoln, Franklin in Tennessee. NorthBamaWX, keeping you informed 24/7. More updates at the top and bottom of each hour. There is one active tropical system in the Atlantic Basin. PTC Bertha is currently located in the Gulf of America, packing maximum sustained winds of 35 miles per hour. The storm is approximately 86 miles from Galveston, Texas.